Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm gonna share with you guys how to do the perfect DIY pedicure at home. It is open toe season and we cannot afford to be out there having our toes looking ashy. It's been a minute since I haven't done a pedicure. My toes are looking like a hot mess right now, so let's start this video. Welcome back, guys. So the first thing we're going to do is to remove the old gel polish from my toes using my electric buffer. If it was like the regular nail polish, then I would use some acetone or the regular nail polish remover. So on to the next step. So for me personally, I like to clip my nails and just buff them down, file them to remove any excess nail polish or any built up that might be on the nails, and just do a quick little cleaning up before putting my feet to soak. So the next step is to prepare the water to soak my feet. I'm using my foot spa that I bought on Amazon. It has massage rollers, it has auto vibration, and it has a temperature gauge. But guys, if you don't have a foot spa, it is totally okay for you to use a basin with warm water. Alright guys, so let's talk about the products that I am going to use to do this pedicure and products that you can also use. So here I have this calming lavender foot soak that I am going to use, and if you don't have this type of foot soak, guys, you can also use Epsom salt. I'm also going to add some moisturizing bath and body oil to the water, and for me personally, I love to add some conditioner to the water because the aim is to get soft, smooth feet, and I think the conditioner does that. So yes guys, I am going to now put my feet in the water and let it soak for roughly 15 minutes. Guys, the link for this foot spa is in my description box. It's on my Amazon storefront. It's under nail care products and supplies. So if you're interested to get one of these foot spa, just go to my description box, go to the Amazon storefront link, and then you will find it under nail care products and supplies. So after soaking for 15 minutes, I'm now taking my time to gently clean under my nails. Now that the nails are really soft, they are easy to tear, so I'm just gently cleaning under the nails. So the next product that I am using is my scrub. I'm going to apply it to my callus remover. Then I'm going to thoroughly scrub my feet. So after all that soaking and scrubbing, my feet are soft and smooth. So now I'm preparing my feet for the nail polish process. So before I start polishing my nails, I'm going to moisturize my feet using some bath and body oil. You can also use lotion, but I just prefer to use oil to moisturize my feet after pedicure. So now I'm going to apply my base coat, and this helps to prevent damage to your nails or discoloration, and also provides longevity. So it's like a barrier between your nail and your colored gel. So guys, you want to apply a thin coat from your nail bed to the tip of your nail, and this step is crucial to prevent lifting as well. So now I'm going to allow my base coat to dry under my UV light for at least a minute. Then I'm going to apply my colored gel polish. So now that I'm done applying my colored gel polish, I'm going to allow it to dry for at least 90 seconds under my UV light. So for the final step is applying the top coat. So I'm going to apply the top coat, then I'm going to allow it to dry for 90 seconds again under my UV light. So after the final step, which is to apply your top coat and allow it to dry under the UV light, I like to go back and file my nails and just clean up around my nails if needs be. And also I like to moisturize my toes once I'm done, guys. So basically this is how I do my DIY pedicure at home. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something from this video. Leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed as yet, guys. And also comment and let me know how you rate my DIY pedicure at home, guys. Thank you so much for watching. So that's the end result, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye. Peace out.